All right, guys, this is my favorite string trimmer I've ever tested. This is the EGO 15-inch cordless power load string trimmer. This power load string trimmer loads itself automatically. It's adjustable to any user, and it is super powerful. But on top of that, it's a great value. You can pick this guy up at Lowe's.com. So the standout feature of this EGO POWERLOAD string trimmer, which makes it different from any other string trimmer on the market, I'm talking gas or electric, is the way it loads. It's called power load. So you basically get your string, insert it in that eyelet right here. It'll push all the way through, split the string in half. Let's try to do that real quick. Let's call that half. Turn it around. You got yourself a button right there. Push that button and the string loads in. Come on, guys, that's easy stuff. So the other great thing about this string trimmer is it can be adjusted to be comfortable for any user. First of all, the motor on the back here can be extended out like that and locked in. That would be for a taller operator. You can also adjust where this handle is. You can go all the way up here or all the way down here. So any user will be comfortable using this string trimmer. So in addition to all those other features, this EGO string trimmer packs a ton of power. Check it out. You have 2 speeds, low speed and high speed. So this EGO string trimmer is sold as a kit. That includes a battery and a charger. The battery that comes with it is an EGO 56 volt 2.5 amp hour battery. Now this battery will power all 100 EGO tools. So as you're string trimming, you're going to notice that your string will wear down and get short. When it's at about 1 inch, what you can do is you can bump the string trimmer to add more line. I'll show you how easy that is. So yeah, this string trimmer has some awesome features, but does it string trim well? You betcha. Check this out. So clearly, I love this EGO 15-inch cordless power load string trimmer. This is definitely my favorite because they've got such a unique feature with this power load on it. In fact, I have recommended this string trimmer to my mom. Now, if you're looking for this string trimmer or any other EGO products, no problem. Just go to Lowe's.com. They carry the whole line. And just like this string trimmer, EGO stuff is great. So make sure you go there and check it out.